everyone, welcome back to Crypto World. We're going to have a quick catch up on Spell Token, and it's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 8 hours since my last video, and I gave us a couple of predictions to look for. I'm just going to turn one white so we can see it a bit clearer. So we did have a go zone where I thought this thing would just leap straight to the upside, or a slight a slower move to the upside, dare say. Following the video, what did happen was we had a wick where I thought we were going to be away and gone, but what that actually did was confirm that we were in a descending wedge. It's from wick to wick, it's created this triangular formation. From there we have quite literally followed almost to the line my second prediction, which was to get free of the cloud, move along the top of it, retest, and bounce. And where we are currently is sort of midway through that move. We have followed that trajectory that I expected to see if we weren't going to just move shot straight out. So let's have a quick look, see what's going on a 5-minute chart. So as you can see, we've moved through, wicking from high to low all the way through this wedge, and we've had the fake out to the downside, shot straight back up, retested, and then we've broken up to the top of the wedge. And for the last 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes we've been rejected to get out of here. So what to look for now, I'm not going to draw it, but I'll just do it with the cursor. Will either be a slight drop back to 232 and then a second attempt, or we'll just have a little swing curve. But guys, the more times we hit this trend line and break above it, eventually we'll pull back and bounce off and we'll be gone. So I'll just take it back to the 30-minute. As you can see, we fell out of the wedge pattern, broke above, sat on the resistance channel, launched off, got rejected at the trend line, and now we're just sitting directly under it. And it won't be long before we either shoot through in the same staircasing pattern that we've witnessed over the last 2 hours, 2-3 hours, or we will come back and retest the 233 or 2329, and yeah, so we're heading towards the apex. I don't expect us to see much sideways movement here. I'd be very surprised, especially looking at what Bitcoin is doing currently, and I'll show you that in a second. But from here we're gonna break above, possibly retest on that trend line wherever we break out from it. So I can't really specify a cost to look for, but essentially we'll break above, retest, and then we'll shoot off. So do expect to see a big candle once we're free up to 2.4, 2.43, and then from there might have a small bounce back to 2.41, shoot off up to 2.51, and then like I say, we've just got these micro resistance zones which will become support once we break above. So the target is still to get to 2.8, 3 cents, and then onwards to 3.6, and I do expect us to do that in a lovely staircase pattern over the coming 2 or 3 days. All right, but I will keep doing 2 videos a day, realistically 10 or 12 hours apart, and yeah, we'll keep an eye on this one. Just to come back to Bitcoin, did quite a lengthy video a couple of days ago just to confirm that we are literally sticking to, if anything, we're above my trend point. So what to look for now is a slight pullback, break up to touch the top of the wedge, pull back, and then we'll be gone. That is going to be a period. This is on a daily, so this move is going to be a slow one. So hopefully we're going to have a good week of momentum for a week of drawback to make another higher low, and then we'll be gone. Now if we look at Bitcoin on the 30-minute chart, we've essentially stuck to my projection. We didn't come down as low, and as such we haven't swung up as high, but if you see the pattern of what was expected, let's make this thing move. There you go. That, in my view, is a pretty close line. Not a fortune teller, it's not financial advice, but yeah, if you've liked, please do click the like button and subscribe, tell your friends, and hopefully we'll be moving forward to making some good gains in 2022. Like I say, I will advise when to pull out of a token, price points to reinvest, and also expectations of where we'll go, which will be your blow off top and sell points. So like I say, if you've enjoyed the analysis I've been giving, they have been accurate to date. I think I'm hitting about 90% of my expectations. So yeah, please do spread the word. We're growing the channel, and you'll see a lot more from me. All right, take care.